Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankh Eru from jamtoursafrica.com family. And in this video family, I'm just gonna actually just give you a run through of today and give you an insight on what is happening in Kenya. You know what I mean? So today guys, I have a brother coming in from the US. I'm gonna pick him up at 11 and get this car wash our family and go and pick him up. They have a Diaspora event going on at KCC that what I found out. I also have, so I might pass through that. Now the Barbados Independence celebration will be at Karura Forest today. So we're gonna go there to see what that's like family. So all of these things I want to show you what is happening family and let you know guys what is happening here in Kenya. So it's a Wednesday today. Ooh family, I don't know, but if you're a Jamaican in Kenya, Wednesday today, tell me if it don't feel like Christmas morning in Jamaica. As I was walking out to get my morning routine together, I was like, wow, this feels just like Jamaica. It just feels that morning feeling. Let me know if you're a Jamaican in the comment section, and on Christmas morning if you get a special feeling, because I normally get a special feeling that morning. It always look like this. It's actually cold, wind is blowing, the sun is out, and it's just like, yeah family, I don't know if you experience Christmas morning in Jamaica, but that's the same experience I'm having today. I feel the same way. You know what I mean? The skies are blue, the birds are chirping, you know what I mean? It's just a nice feel. As you can see the Jamaican flag blowing families. You know it's a feeling family, cool feeling of Jamaica right here in Kenya family. So I'm just letting you know, if you're a Jamaican and you're in Kenya, comment. Or if you're a Jamaican and I actually feel a cool little, you know, it's just like silent and you know nice, and it was just that type of feeling right now today family. I don't know if you get that feeling as a Jamaican. Comment. And Christmas morning, let Jam Tours know if you get a special feeling, and I want to know if we're connecting the same way family. Yeah family. So as you guys know guys, you know, I was just reasoning with Miss Jam Tours this morning. I was telling her that we stop at the place to get the engine light check and change the pump, and I was saying to her that even me myself need facilitation. You know what I mean? I was telling people that, you know what I mean, that if it wasn't for Miss Jam Tours, I wouldn't be doing this. So I'm just saying that to say that, you know what I mean, it's a chain of people, it's a chain of link, and it's just a chain. So we went to change the pump family. As you can see, now I have to come back. You watch it on the last video, and the video you're gonna watch before this, that I have to come and check my brother who actually serviced my car, and he actually went and buy the pump for my family. He actually organized the guy to do the diagnostic test for my family. He actually go and get the pump in town for me. Him actually I tell him I need the car to get tint. He goes to boom and get that person for me, organize up for me. He actually come back again for me and help the guy to put in the thing for me, as you can see in the last video for me. So I am just letting you know guys, you see that we went to the other place trying to get it done, and the guys are trying to give us a run around, and Miss Jam trying to tell me that you can even park your car there and take out parts out of it and all kind of thing. So you know what I mean, it's always good. You can't just walk in Kenya and just get something done like that. As a foreigner, it's impossible for you to just come. Depends on where you are. Like if you go downtown, you need a local. You need somebody who know the ropes. You need somebody who, you know what I mean? And I saw it go, him just go down there, take out the thing and carry it and get it done. He pay 2,000. And then I tell me say like a 3,000 for it. You know what I mean? And I want to tell me 25,000, and then I want to tell my family. So I'm just trying to let you guys know that, you know what I mean, when you come to this African country, if you know how to move family, if you don't know how to move, then you're gonna get scammed family. So what Jam Tours is doing family is priceless, and money cannot buy it. What Jam Tours is doing is priceless, and money cannot buy it family. I'm just trying to let you know that. No matter what you do for Jam Tours, you can't repay me. If you give me billions of dollars and you're here living life and you don't have to worry about, you know what I mean, your problems, you know what I mean, then, you know what I mean, it's priceable. There's no price. You can't put a price. There's things in life that you cannot price. You cannot price health. There's things you cannot put a price on health, and you know what I mean. They say in Jamaica, they say good friend better than pocket money. So when I tell you say better you have a good friend than you have a lot of money. You know what I mean? Because a friend, you know what I mean, in need is a friend indeed. Yeah, family. So I was reasoning and I was thinking to myself that, you know what I mean, I have the answer to all questions and the solution to all problems. Jam Tours, when you come and thinking about moving to Kenya family, because I've been there and I've done that. So, you know what I mean? If Jam Tours are telling me, say, yo, pay me this, give me that. Because even me, myself, I feel facilitate. I feel have facilitation. Or somebody will facilitate me to get the job done. It's crazy, guys. And funny enough, when you guys come Jam Tours, you take no facilitate for you feel like that. Like if somebody come and say they want a car service, somebody come and say they want a car to buy, I just say, yo, call them my boss and say, yo, somebody want a car to buy, see them number, I deal with them. You know what I mean? That's how Jam Tours roll, family. When you come in at the click, you don't even have to pay for nothing no more. So when Jam Tours say, yo, give me this upfront, I'm going to take care of you for life, it's for life and it's priceless. That way, money where you pay me for peace of mind, you know what I mean, you know, your health up, you know, all of these things. Peace of mind and feel free is the most sweet. Look at the breeze that blow cool, and look at Nairobi green. One more oxygen I want. The peace of mind is oxygen. Peace of mind is oxygen. And trust me, in a city where, you know what I mean, that is full of trees and not a concrete jungle, you get a different feeling, family. Anyway, guys, we don't want to talk to them too long, but I'm going to take on the day and wash this car, pick up the brother, take him to the Diaspora meeting and see what is up for today, family. I have a lot of things to do, but I just got to get the important one them out today. So, let's go. Wow, family. Wow. Let me show you the breeze that blow cool in Kenya right now. If you like to say you almost a touchdown in a Sangsters Manley Airport right now, family, on a Christmas morning. That's how it is, fam. That's how the feeling feels. Just cool and nice. Fam, so I took the expressway come up, it's like 15 minutes. Hello. M-Pesa. So I'm gonna cut this off to pay, family. Let me cut. Yeah, family. So I'm at the airport, as you can see, guys. And it's so cool. So once you pass through the expressway, you have to go to the international airport security, family, after that. And you just drive through like this. The officer them check your car and just see what I want. You know, just a small check. So let's go, family. Let's go. Mambo, officer. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Thanks. Yeah, family. So you enter the airport, as you can see. Enter the airport like this. Then you have a parking at the airport. So normally my brother is coming. He said he's coming from 11. Now it's like 11:32. So he should be here already. He said he's coming at 11 a.m. So I'm actually here, family, waiting. I always like to be at the airport early, family, because sometimes people come in early and it's not a good feeling when somebody come in, family, and then they have to be waiting on you. See what I'm saying? So, you know, when somebody come in, they're very tired and stuff, and they just want to actually, you know, get in the car and go to the hotel and relax a little, and then they get in the vibes now for Nairobi. So I like to be at the airport early. To match up what I'm matching up, family. I like to do that. Yeah, guys, but trust me, guys, this day is really a day that it feels like I'm in Jamaica, family. I'm telling you, like Christmas morning in Jamaica, you know, at the airport, Christmas morning, people full of airport, guys. Everybody are coming to Jamaica with Christmas. Everybody are coming. It's the same thing in Africa. Everybody are coming to Kenya for the Africa right now. Everybody are coming to Kenya for the Christmas. I mean, worse than Donald Trump in power. People are trying to escape. You know what I mean? They want to try to escape on the sinking ship. The Titanic, the big bad Titanic America sink, family. And if you don't get off that boat and get in that ship, you don't get off that ship, trust me. When it starts sink, you can't come out again. So you've been watching Jam Tours. Book a consultation and link up with Jam Tours and come to Kenya, come look at it and see what I want. Trust me, when things gone bad, can't come good again, family. So you have to make the right choice for your future. A lot of people just live for today. It doesn't work like that, family. You have to live for the future. We live for 10 years down the line. And you also have to look at see about the kids them and how they're gonna grow and stuff. The moral and values you want them to have and all of these things, family. So it's not just to you know what I mean, just live life. Life is more complex. Life is full of problems and you gotta solve them, family. You know what I mean? Life is full of answers and you have to find questions life is full of questions, and you have to find answers to those questions, family. So it's just up to you and what you want for your life. Jam Tour just here as a guide, show you that it's possible in Africa. You just have to know the right connection, the right people to link with family. So as you know, I came here and created a network of people, and I actually, you know what I mean, want to pass that down to you, family. So let's go, family. Let's go. I'm just waiting for my brother to message me and say that he's out. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna go and chill in the car park while I just maybe get a sleep or relax or something, and maybe give you a download right now because you know what I mean? Yeah. So let's go, family. Let's go. I'm at the airport. Pick up a brother who came in. They want to come to see what Nairobi is about, to see if you like it. And trust me, you get a perfect day. Today is the perfect day for anyone to come to Kenya right now. You're gonna love it, family. If you like you're in the tropics, I'm telling you. The sun is out, the skies are blue. Wow. What more could you want? The city is green, the air is fresh. What more could you want, family? So let's go. Yeah, family. So my brother actually just called me and said I'm at Terminal 1A and he's about to come out, family. So I'm just pay for the parking and I'm just gonna head out, family. I'm just gonna head out. I was just saying to myself, family, that when you come to Kenya and you have somebody who you know, like Jam Tours, you actually know Jam Tours from YouTube. But when you're making a stranger pick you up, that kind of make you feel so uncertain, family. It's so uncertain. It's so uncertain, family, when a stranger pick you up and you don't know who is who, you don't know what, you know what I mean? But when you know Jam Tours pick you up, family, from the airport, deep down you know so you're safe like CFX, family, because you know Jam Tours, you see Jam Tours every day, you talk to Jam Tours on WhatsApp, you call him. So it's like, you know Jam Tours. So that actually, if you did have a bad feeling about Kenya and you use Jam Tours, you call Jam Tours to pick you from the airport. Now, you're gonna feel so good because it's like your brother pick you up. You know Jam Tours. So imagine somebody pick you up, you don't know who is who, you don't know, you know, some random Uber driver pick you up. You don't know who is who. They might the first contact you start to ask you this and ask you that, and you end up get scammed. That's how you get scammed, family. That's how you get scammed. So my brother say I'm at 1A. I tell him to stay at the Absa. I call him and tell him I'm coming around here now. I call him. I'm coming around. Yeah, family. So when you come to the airport, it's what the airport look like. You normally can stand right here. Hey, my brother, what's up? Yeah, man, I'm coming around now. Look at you see a black fielder and a white fielder, and the tint up. I'm coming slow. Just look to the opposite Absa, down where you see the guys them coming out. So come down to where you see opposite Absa, come down. Absa Bank. Where you at? You're at Terminal 1A, right? Alright, so you see where the people are, that the lady, just come down where you have the let me see, so opposite. Alright, yeah, man, the back, you see the Absa. Now opposite Absa you see some, you don't see Absa, it's a red logo. Absa. Oh, I see you. See me, man, see me. I mean this. No, I'm right here. Look. Yeah. The man was right here, brethren. Or they pick the... Yeah, man. My brother, they are family and they are with me and thing.
Oh, when I saw you had on the video the other day, and you went back home.
Who, me?
Yeah, your brother. You had a brother.
Yeah. Nelson. Yeah, family. So we're actually in Nairobi. There's, as I said to you guys, there's a diaspora meeting going on there in KICC. So I want to take my brother to see if he can meet up some diaspora, see what the city look like and things like that, family. So let's go with Jam Tours in the middle of Nairobi. We actually, you know what I mean. So let's go. Let me show him what you like Nairobi so far.
So far so good. I mean, the moving around looks pretty straightforward.
Yeah.
At least the drivers are not too aggressive yet. I don't know.
Yeah.
So far so good. Because I mean, one thing is traffic flow. And get trapped in traffic, and I'm not seeing that yet. Perhaps maybe the time of the day.
Yeah, man. But we have traffic here in rush hour time.
Okay.
A lot of traffic.
But what we usually say was the expressway.
The expressway, so we come all the way down.
Right.
Yeah.
But so far so good, yeah?
Yeah. It's a good look.
Yeah. I'm waiting. Big up.
I can park here, right? I can park behind. Maybe I can park.
You mean right here?
No, man, no.
Oh,
Let me see. Oh God, I want somebody coming out there. Yeah, that's. Kenya Tourist Development. Herbs. These are how they get the teas and stuff.
Okay.
No, I just for today.
today?
Just today.
Okay, I got
Embassy
you.
of Italy, Nairobi.
Right.
So, yeah. You can see you have delegation for European Union to Kenya and stuff. So it's like a little symposium them have here. They have the bank, Cooperative Bank, Aga Khan, Uganda High Commission is right there and stuff. So you want to go to Uganda, so Uganda High Commissioner is right there. Yeah, so Kenya Post Deposit. So you can maybe go and get some information. You can maybe go and get some information from them. It's Uganda rum. Premium flavor. Oh, this is gin. Yeah, family. So my brother here said he wanted to go to Uganda, so I'm gonna get some information. No, because I did it. Yeah, family. So my brother get information how to go to Uganda and stuff on his Jamaican passport. So let's go.
Tell you why you are my treasure. Let me tell you why I love you so much. Let me tell you why I'll keep you forever. Namiliki moyo wangu my honey, nikiwa nawe mimi na amani. And it's you that I prayed for. Unakaa exactly like what I saw in my dream. La 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 la. Kila la 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 la. Butterfly, yeah. You're my forever. Water into wine. Akafanya mambo yake and then later turn you into mine. I'm falling kila time. Straight and go serious, mwanaume ako in. Complimenting me daily. Napenda vile unanipenda baby. Bongo unanichanganya ubongo. Ndio tucheze dance zile za Kikongo.
No, there's no Jamaican embassy, but there's a consulate. Actually, no, the is my friend, so if you need any help, we can actually, you know, connect that up. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, family. So we are actually in KICC today. My brother just coming at the place. I'm gonna take him around, show him around, family. As you know, me, family, I like information is my thing. So when I see these things, I like to come out and see what these companies are doing. How I can, you know what I mean? Because, you know, moving around in Nairobi, you need information. You need information how to set up your business. So when you have these things, you have to just come out and see, try to network and connect with business. You see them have Valentine cake house over here. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So, as you can see, them have a lot of booths here. Let's go inside and see what they have. What kind of juice this them have here, so? They have some nice juice, so I drink one of them. This one. Yes. Oh. Okay. Restaurant. Yeah, man, big up, just looking around. So if you have a business family, you want to build a business, you can come to these small trade shows. You can come. Hi. Yeah, man, I always heard about the SACCO.
Yeah, it's a SACCO.
How does it work? How do I sign up?
How much it fast?
I don't have much talk so much about it. So I'll definitely get a brochure and then we can give her. When we go, we can sign up. Thank you, man.
Also, you can have this.
Application. I'll go and fill it out. Yeah, family. So a SACCO. So what is a SACCO?
Listen, SACCO.
What does it do?
These are the numbers are for sale and also get training.
So let's say I have like a million shillings. Can I borrow against that?
You can borrow against that. You can get up to 5 times of that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I need to take my money to my bank and go put it here. So I need so what's the interest rate on that? Let's say I have a million shillings and you give me 5 million.
So let's say you get 2 ways of which you can earn from the SACCO. The first one is from the shares that you buy with the SACCO, which you get a dividend of 20%.
How much? 20%?
20%.
I hear. Say if I put in a million, I get 20% of a million.
That's 200,000.
200,000?
Yeah, 200,000.
Oh really, man? I need to sign up for you guys. I'm gonna fill this out now and bring it back. Do you have a card? Where's the office?
You have IPS building.
I'm actually on Kembu Road. You guys have to come there to register, right?
You can just do it and then you can just scan it back to us.
Alright, cool. Alright, family, I'm gonna make Miss Jam Tour sign up for this thing because she's been talking about it a very long time. So, now it's the right time. Alright? What's this? We have like clothes over here. These are made in Kenyans. Oh, there's a store here selling clothes. Let's go and see. Wow, family. So them have this company have some sale going on here. Clothes. Let's see what we can get. Clothes. What is some of my brother? Let me say we can get our jeans.
Okay.
One of these brand new though. I don't know. We know where. My brother, this is where was this clothes made? Kenya made. Wow, that's good, man. Wow. Need to get everything is for 500 family. 500.
How much was that?
That's $3 US. So let me support Kenya. Buy something that made in Kenya. Looking for 34. I don't really have much time still, but you know what I mean? So you quick look around and move around. Yeah, well I like that clothes made in Kenya. I like that. Yeah, I like that. I mean, I have no time enough to buy, but let's go.
How often do you have these activities?
You know, I don't know. It is that, you know what I mean? So most of the time it is.
With KICC, man.
That's what I need to do.
Notify you.
I'm gonna ask if I can do that because that is very good. So when I have event like this, I can go Because now you can actually create a business out when you come to these things. Like, most of the time you want to get something done, and when you come here, you find the person to give you to give you the service.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? So this is a good thing when you come.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry there.
And he was quick too, ready to sell me.
Ready to sell you. Yeah, so. Yeah, family, that's KICC family, as you can see. This is how we do it in Kenya. And when you hook up with Jam Tours, you get information unloaded, unlock information, and we give you all the information you need to get settled here in Kenya, family. So let's go. Diaspora, but I'm sure other diaspora is here too, maybe. Yep. We can go, you want to sit around a little. We can go, right? Let's do that. Yeah, what, yes. Yeah, so. Yeah, man, let's go there. I just want to come and see what it is. I don't want to hear the thing. Ah! What's up, man? I'm good. It's been a long time coming, but my brother, man. We should meet up and link up. You did better with Fabian, right? Yeah, we met up on man, so. See you later. Yeah, man. So you liking it so far? It's good. Yeah, man. Yeah, so.
So far, so good, but you can't imagine, I'm exhausted.
Yeah. Let's go and get some rest, man.
Yeah. Food across the street from.
Yeah, family. So we're actually here at yeah, it is. Well good. Yeah. So my brother, he's making sample some Jamaican food. Yeah, Jamaican food in the States.
Myself.
You cook yourself?
I do have Jamaican myself. I've been watching France.
Yeah.
But I cook myself, yeah.
You cook yourself, yeah. Alright guys, but no matter taste the Jamaican food in Kenya. Tastes good. Yeah. So JamRock restaurant family, when you want Jamaican food, you want to spice up the flavor of your taste bud. Sorry, nice cook. Yeah, man. Alright, let's go. Okay. Oh, them have to check it and see if you're on the list.
Yeah.
I sound serious.
Yeah, man.
Serious. They have a whole security protocol.
Yeah, man.
Eh? Yeah, man. Our man is Ramesh. Yeah.
From Conscience City.
Yeah, man. From Conscience. I know Conscience. Conscience come from Harborview. I used to see him around there and stuff.
Wagwan.
Yeah, man. What I notice, Fabian, in the culture here now,
Yeah.
I find that when you're greeting people and telling you Wagwan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I find that in Kenya.
In Kenya,
Yeah.
really. Yeah. Man, they listen to the culture, to the music. What's happening?
It's not showing there.
You can type my name, man.
Check Fabian name. I don't understand. Let me check Ramesh. Maybe write my full name. I don't know. Maybe write my full name.
Here to Sasandina Bamba Mama. Here to Sasandina Bamba Daddy. The way you make me feel. What a love, what a love, what a tell you why I love you this much. Let me tell you why. You are my treasure. Let me tell you why I love you so much. Let me tell you why I'll keep you forever. Unamiliki moyo wangu my honey. Nikiwa nawe mimi na amani. And it's you that I prayed for. Unakaa exactly like what I saw in my dream. La 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 la. Kila la 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 la. Butterfly, You're my forever. Nimekupenja. I turn you into mine. Design, I'm falling killer time. Check and consider mwanaume ako in.
Complimenting me daily. Napenda vile unanipenda baby. Bongo unanichanganya ubongo. Ndio tucheze dance zile za Kikongo. Na nikichoka nitapanda kwa mgongo. Unipigie stories zako za uongo baby. The way you make me feel, make me feel, make me feel.
Here to sasa ndo inabamba mama.
Here to sasa ndo inabamba daddy.
The way you make me feel. What a love, what a love, what a love. You're my forever. Didn't mean to fall in love, mean to fall in love, baby. Nimekupenda. You're my forever. Fall in love, fall in love, fall in love. Nimekupenda.
National anthem.
I think that deserves a round of applause. Now, national anthem of Barbados. Thank you very much.
commented that there were indeed showers of blessing. For most of the crowd, the downpour portended something. Blessings? Tears? Who knew? What was known was that the road to independence after 339 years of British colonial rule was not easy, and that the country was divided over this big step, 58 years ago. In Barbados, we say that 58 years is not 58 days. This is not, and implying that 58 years is not to be undervalued or scoffed at. More so when we consider that in those years we have weathered the storms of economic ups and downs, global tsunamis of political pressures, socialism, communism, capitalism and their hybrids, and our own local politics, combined with regional international goings-on. Barbados at that time was in the heart of its own slice of history. The guns of the High Altitude Research Project, HARP, the Grenada invasion, the Cubana bombing, all tragedies and triumphs that bejeweled our progress towards today. Through this pressure, we've evolved a posture that is encapsulated in our phrase, friends of all, but satellites of none, as a signpost to the world of our willingness to participate, but never be taken for granted or taken advantage of. The past 5 years have been especially historical. A global pandemic, a massive